What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Sequoia remote key fob. This Toyota Sequoia key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on. Hold that release down and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, just to the left of the place where the emergency key slid out of, we see this notch right here, this little slot. What I'm going to do is stick the emergency key in that notch and then I'm going to twist it like this, like I'm opening a lock with a key. So put it in that notch, make sure it's as far in there as you can push, and then twist. And as you do that, it pops the two halves of the shell apart. Once we get the back of the shell off, we can see our battery right here. And I'm just going to grab the key and use the edge of it to help get the battery out of that holder. Grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck that edge in first, like that. And then snap it down the rest of the way into place. And then make sure that your circuit board is sitting down in this rubber piece for the buttons properly. Sometimes they kind of shift out of place. Once you have your circuit board where it needs to be, we can go ahead and snap the two halves of the shell back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.